My name is Danny Milisavljevic, and I'm an assistant professor here at Purdue University in the Department of Physics and Astronomy. Once the telescope arrives at L2, there's still a fairly lengthy process of running calibrations and doing the first light images where they put the telescope in focus. And it starts with one instrument called NIRCam, but then there are other instruments as well that need to be turned on and go through the same focus procedure. That timeline is approximately a few months. I hope that by April we'll get a little taste of what's to come from the James Webb Space Telescope. I haven't heard of official updates, but we can expect the observatory, the propellant at least, to last 15 years or beyond. And what's doubly exciting is they've announced that there's been for some time discussion of a potential robotic mission, so sending an unmanned spacecraft to refuel Webb. This would extend it for, in principle, another 15 years, so we could potentially have 30 years of operation, not unlike the Hubble Space Telescope. My team has selected the supernova remnant Cassiopeia A, or Cass A for short, because it is among the most important examples of stellar explosion. What we see today in the location of Cass A are the remains of a star that exploded approximately 340 years ago in our own galaxy. We've watched Cass A expand for years using optical telescopes, X-ray telescopes, radio telescopes. We've watched as the debris field has raced into the interstellar space around it, seeding the environment with the raw materials for new stars and planetary systems. We're particularly excited about Webb because it uniquely accesses the infrared wavelengths with the resolution and sensitivity needed to access what I would call spectral fingerprints. So these are the identifying features that help allow us to reconstruct Cass A's origin story, which is to say, what type of star was there beforehand and how did the explosion take place. Supernovae provide the raw materials for life. So the oxygen we breathe, love that oxygen, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones have all been forged in fiery explosions of supernovae. And as citizens of the universe, I think it terribly important that we understand this vital process that makes our existence possible.